This is an emergency message from the SCP Foundation, dedicated to protecting the public from anomalous entities. The British government has given the SCP Foundation clearance to deliver this international emergency broadcast. The SCP Foundation has issued an Apollyon warning, effective immediately, until the unforeseeable future. It is at this time that everyone should be underground or in a safe room. Stay away from all windows. An SCP known as SCP-001 is currently active. You must stay 390 to 700 nanometers away from any light emitted by the sun, and 390 to 700 nanometers away from any light emitted by the moon. At this time, an estimated billion deaths have occurred. If you must go outside, dress in multiple layers of clothing, covering yourself from the light. Euthanization is not to be attempted. People WHO are exposed to it aren't people you can't just abandon. You must embrace the darkness, my friends. Staying in total darkness will ensure your safety. Embrace the darkness. Fear the light.
This is the BBC Emergency Broadcast System. Please stand by.
This message is being broadcasted at the interest of the SCP Foundation. We are now beginning our countdown until the launch of our Omega nuclear warhead. If you would like to live, ensure you have made your way to your nearest SCP Foundation site or fallout shelter. Otherwise, please follow these instructions. If you wish to attempt to live, do not follow these instructions. Put the barrel of a gun to your head and pull the trigger. If you do not have access to a firearm, use a blade and slit your throat. Succumb to SCP-001 if these options are not available. The Omega warhead will detonate within the next 5 hours. We are sorry. This must be done.
SCP-682 just broke out at Gate B. I want all available helicopters and MTF units at Gate B now. I repeat, SCP-682 is out of the facility. All available helicopters and MTF units to Gate B now.
The site is experiencing multiple Keter and Euclid level containment breaches. Full site lockdown initiated.
To those of you with families, or God forbid, children, I'm deeply, deeply sorry. You must push on. Do not let their deaths be in vain. We do still have time. Humanity may still have a future. Come to Site 19. We need all the hands we can get. Learn to embrace the darkness, friends. Fear the light.